So let's bring these receivers into our app. To do this, we press the Add Receiver button. And no worries, if you have never touched a wireless microphone system before, we are fully guided through this process. Now I press the sync button for 3 seconds on each device. I can do this. Make sure to press the button for 3 seconds until you see the little Bluetooth sign coming up. Otherwise you end up in the sync workflow. Now we can name each receiver and assign a color. Just hit the button, tap on name, put in the name you want, press OK, choose your favorite color, mine is blue, and hit save. After you press the pair button, you can see that the name on the device changed as well. If you ask yourself on how you should name your channel, you should look for something that stays the same over time. In a corporate environment, that can be moderation 1 and 2, because the speakers change. In a band environment, this could be the band member's name, because normally they don't change. So now we have connected the receivers to our app. The next step would be finding frequencies. If you have never heard the word frequency and microphone in one sentence, don't worry, this process is fully automated. You see, I don't have to do anything. Now you can sit back and watch the show. All the settings are pushed to our receivers. And now we have to bring these settings onto our transmitters, bodypack and handheld microphone. For this, we have 2 options. We can go the old school way by pressing the sync buttons. Or we can go a new way and sync directly from the app. To do this, we press the Sync Transmitter button, follow the guide, and hit Sync on the transmitter. And we are already done with our setup. So we are ready to go. In the next video, we cover the check transmitter feature.